Hello, first graders. Welcome to a new math lesson. We are in topic 10, lesson 3. Please open your book, page 409. Add tens and ones using the 100 chart. Let's start.
Use a 100 chart to find these sums. 8 plus 40 equals 30 plus 40 equals 80 plus 12 equals. Show your work and tell how you found each sum.
All right. So let's watch our video and come back to this exercise.
You can use a 100 chart to add tens and ones. What numbers are shown on this part of the 100 chart? The numbers 1 through 30 are shown. How many numbers are in each row?
Select your answer.
All right, so this is part of the 100 chart, and we can tell that it starts from 1 all the way till 30. And we can also see that each row has 10 bucks or 10 numbers. So let's choose 10.
There are 10 numbers in each row. Find 4 plus 23. Start on the larger number, 23. 23 has 2 tens, so 23 is 2 rows down on this chart. Why is 23 2 rows below 3?
Because each row, as we said, has 10 numbers. So that's mean 1, 10, 2, 10, because 23 has 2 tens. So this is the first 10, and this is the second 10. This is 1 10, 2 10.
"23 has 2 more tens than 3. Since each row has 10 numbers, you can move down 2 rows from 3 to get to 23. What do you do to add 4 to 23 on this chart?
All right. So we need to add 4 ones. That means I'm moving toward the right 4 jumps or 4 squares or 4 numbers. So 23, I need to count 4 more bucks toward the right side. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Landed on 27. So 23 plus 4 equals 27.
You move 1 column to the right for each one that you are adding.
All right. So as we say, you move to the right side and you count how many numbers do you have to add. So that's the number of your jump. 4, that means 4 squares or 4 boxes or 4 numbers or 4 jumps. Let's have another example. Let's say 11 plus 6. This is my 11 plus 6. That's mean to the right 6 jumps or 6 squares. So this is 11. After 11, 6 times or 6 boxes or 6 jump. 1, I don't count the 11. Right away after the 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 11 plus 6 equals 17. That's another example.
Add the ones. For every one you add, move right 1 column. 4 is 4 ones. Move right 4 columns. 23 plus 4 equals 27. So 4 plus 23 equals 27. Now you know how to use a 100 chart to add tens and ones.
Great job!
All right, so remember, you start with the greater number, the big number, and then you count on the second adding that you have to add. All right, let's see our guided practice, page 410 in your book. All right. Use the part of the 100 chart to add. So this is only, it's not 100 chart, it's from 1 till 50, but that's mean you're not going to use more than that. So let's see what we have. 2 plus 12. Now I know what to do. Where's my big number? The greater number is 12. So I'm going to come, look for my 12, put up a circle or a mark, and then count to the right 2 squares or 2 boxes or 2 columns. So 1, 2. That's my answer 14. Very good. So let's go for 40. Again, I'm going to take another color. So this is 40. Look for your number. Put a mark. This is 40. A big greater number, then add 5. So that means count 5 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 45. So that's my answer, 45. Add it here. All right, let's go for number 3. 20 plus 13 or 13 plus 20. I know I'm looking for my greater number, 20. Look for your 20 and put a mark so you won't miss it or make a mistake. So let's see. I'm going to use purple. I'm just going to put small line here, 20. How many numbers do I need to add? 13. That's mean 1 whole row and 3 ones. Why I said 1 whole row? Because I know there's 10 in each row. Remember when we say there's 10 in each row? So I know 13 means 1 10 and 3 ones. So I can make it easy. I have 20. So I go 1 whole row, 30, and then I have 3 ones, 1, 2, 3. So 20 plus 13 equals, very good, 33. So let's write this down, 33. All right, let's see number 4. I have 10 plus 31. So starting with my greater number, 31. Okay, 31. Let's use a different color. Green, 31. Make a circle. And then add 10. I know this is easy. 10 means a whole row. So that means I'm going down 1 step down with a column, 1 column. So 31 plus 10 equals 41. Let's write this down. Okay. Number 5, 32 plus 6. I know now. Easy. Just go. Look for your greater number. Put a circle so you know that this is where you're starting. Add 6. So we go toward the right and count 6 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 32 plus 6 equals 38. Remember, you always start after your number. So 32, count the number after 32. So 32 plus 6 equals 38. Let's write this down. Right. So let's go to the first activity. In your book, page 409, and answer the question.
Use a 100 chart to find these sums. 8 plus 40 equals 30 plus 40 equals 80 plus 12 equals. Show your work and tell how you found each sum.
All right, so let's go for the first question. 8 plus 40. I know I need to start with my greater number 40. So let's use a color here. I'm going to use green. Look for 40. Then put a circle. 40, then add 8. That means count 8 box or 8 columns. So 40, after 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 48. So let's write this down. 48. and put it here. That's the answer for my first question. Second, 30 plus 40. So again, look at your 40, put this is the greater, and add 30. 30 means 3 tens. I know this is easy. I don't need to count because I know 3 tens means 3 rows. So I'm going to look at my 40 and I go down 3 rows or 3 columns. So 50. So let's, okay. So 10, 20, 30. So 40 plus 30 equals 70. Awesome. Let's write this down. 70. Okay. Now, last question, 80 plus 12. Now, you know, find your number, the greatest, or the greater one here is 80. 80, then add 12. 12 means 1 10 and 2 ones. So I know 1 10 means 1 column down, because I know when I add tens, I go down. So 1 column down, that's 90. That's mean I added only 10. Now I need 2 ones. 1, 2. So 80 plus 12 equals 92. Right? Let's write this down. 92. Okay. All right, first graders, I'll leave you with the rest of the activity in your book, page 411 and 412. That's it for today. Thank you. Hello, first graders. Welcome to a new math lesson. We are in topic 10, lesson 4, add tens and ones using an open number line. In the previous lesson, we used the 100 chart. Today, we're going to use an open number line. So let's start.
Use the open number lines to find the sums. 43 plus 6 equals 5 plus 19 equals 10 plus 32 equals.
All right, if you remember, we used the number line before, and we know we start with the greater number and then add the second addend, and then we count how many jump we added. So let's watch our video and come back to this exercise.
Use an open number line to find 25 plus 4. You can count on by ones. Why is 25 the first number shown on the number line?
Because it's the greater number.
25 is the 2-digit number that you are adding. What does the first hop from 25 to 26 show? It shows that you counted on one more from 25. How do you know that 29 is the sum? 29 is the sum because you made 4 hops to count on by ones from 25 to 29. You added 4 to 25. Use an open number line to find 25 plus 30.
All right, in the previous exercise, 25 plus 4, that means 4 ones. So we jumped 4 jumps or 4 hop. 1, 2, 3, 4. For this exercise, 25 plus 30, that's mean 3 tens. That's mean each jump worth 10. So 25 plus 10, 35, plus 10, 45, plus 10, 55. That's mean 3 tens. Okay.
You can count on by tens. What is the missing number on the number line?
Select your answer.
So as you see, we jumped bigger jump here or bigger hop. So we have 3 tens because 30, I know 30 means 3 tens. So 10 and 10 and 10, 3 times. So 25 plus 10, that means my 10 digit increased by 1. So 25 plus 10 equals 35. 35 plus 10 equals 45. You see your second digit, the tens, increased by 1. So now 45 plus 10, very good, 55.
25 plus 30 equals 55. How do you know that 55 is the sum?
Count the tens. I know I started with 25 and I counted 30 jump, 30 tens, 3 tens, 3 jump to reach 55.
55 is the sum because you made 3 hops to count on by tens from 25 to 55. You added 3 tens, or 30, to 25. Now you know how to use an open number line to solve addition problems.
I like using open number lines.
All right, we always say it's easy because you see the numbers, you take your time, and it's like skip counting by tens. And then you put your number here. Every time you jump one more and you add it here. And sometimes it's more useful and more helpful because you always can just draw the line and count the jumps. But if you don't have the 100 chart. All right, let's see our guided practice. Your book, page 414. All right, let's see. Add using the number lines. Number 1, 37 plus 30. Started with 37. 30 means 3 tens or 3 big hop. So 10, 20, 30. 37 plus 10. I know my 10 digits increased by 1. So 37 will be 47. 47 plus 10, 57. 57 plus 10, 67. All right, let's see the second question. 26 plus 50. All right, so let's see. I'm gonna start with my number. 26. And then I'm gonna add 5 tens. 50 means 5 tens. All right, so let's do this one first. This is 1 10, 2 10, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens. Okay, let me write down. All right, so let's write down 26 plus 10. I know my 10-digit number will increase by 1. So the 2 will be 3, so 36. 36 plus 10, very good, 46. 46 plus 10, 56. 56 plus 10, 66. 66 plus 10, 76. Because I'm adding 50, which is 5 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's put my numbers down. All right, So 26 plus 50 landed on 76. 26 plus 50 equals 76. So let's write down my answer, 76. All right, let's go back to our first exercise in your book, page 413. And we answer that question. We have 3 questions here.
Use the open number lines to find the sums. 43 plus 6 equals 5 plus 19 equals 10 plus 32 equals.
All right, 43 plus 6. That's mean 6 ones. So I'm putting 43 and I'm going to add 6 ones. So I can add 6 individual one, so 6 jump, or I can do 3 by 3. So let's start with a simple one, 6 jump. So I'm going to use my marker here and I'm going to jump 6 small jump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each jump worth 1 number. Okay, let's put this up here. All right, so 43 plus 1, that's 44. 44 plus 1, 45. 45 plus 1, 46. 46 plus 1, 47. 47 plus 1, 48. 48 plus 1, 49. Okay, let's put this down. So 43 plus 6 equals 49. Let's put this down. Okay, so that's the first question. Second question, 5 plus 19. All right, so let's start. I'm gonna start with 19 and add 5. So I can add 5 small jump or 1 plus 4, because I know 1 plus 4 makes 5, or small 5s like that. So I would like to do 1 plus 4. So I'm gonna use a different color and I'm gonna go 1 and then bigger jump to show that I add, or I jumped 4 jumped 1 time. So I'm gonna write plus 1 and plus 4. Again, because 1 plus 4 equals 5. So 19 plus 1, that's 20. 20 plus 4, easy. Very good. 24. So 19 plus 5 equals 24. Let's write this down. That's my second question. Third problem or third question, 10 plus 32. I'd like to start with 32. So 32, I'll put 32 here, plus 10. I'm gonna make one jump. I don't need to break it to fives or small. I'm gonna add 110. So I know my 10 digits, it's 3. 3 plus 1 is 4, so 42. So 32 plus 10 equals 42. I'm gonna make one jump from 32 to 42. I'm gonna write plus 10. That's mean one jump or 10. So 32 plus 10, 42. Let's write it down here. Right? So that's it for today, first graders. I'll leave you with the rest of the activity in your book. Thank you.